Hi, friends. Welcome back to our Simple English podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Sam. Today we're talking about feelings, how to describe them in easy daily English.
This lesson is super beginner friendly, so relax, enjoy, and speak with us.
Great. Let's start with some common feelings. First, happy. You can say, I am happy, or I feel happy today. Repeat after us.
Next is sad. Simple sentences are, I am sad, or I feel a little sad. Use this when you are not feeling good.
Tired is another useful word. Say, I am tired, or I feel tired after work. It is short and clear.
If you are excited, you can say, I am excited, or I feel excited about the trip. This shows strong, happy energy.
Nervous is for when you worry. Try, I am nervous about the test, or I feel nervous sometimes. It helps to explain your feeling.
Angry is easy too. Say, I am angry, or I feel angry right now. Use a calm voice to practice.
Relaxed means calm and peaceful. You can say, I feel relaxed after a walk, or I am relaxed at home. Good for quiet moments.
A quick tip. Add simple reasons. For example, I am happy because I met a friend, or I am tired because I worked a lot. This makes your sentences fuller.
Now, a small practice. Emma, ask a question and I will answer.
Sam, how are you today?
I am feeling excited because we are recording. I also feel a little tired, but happy. How about you?
I am relaxed and happy to be here. Thanks for practicing with us.
That's all for today. Try these sentences at home and tell a friend how you feel.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. See you next time on our Simple English podcast. Bye.